This isn't gonna work. Trust me.
I know what it means.
Okay, Mr. Smarty Pants.
What do you mean you don't know what your power is? Oh, I got it. You're messing with the coach. Just like your old man. Gar.
Look out.
Are you insane? I don't have super strength.
Oh, I get it. You're a flyer, just like your mom. Why don't you say so?
Oh, that's gonna hurt! You really suck!
Kid, come on. Quit messing around. I haven't got all day. What's your power?
I don't have one.
Stronghold.
What the? Oh my God!
I remember doing this to your father when he was just your age. Kicked me right through that wall.
You, haven't called him yet, have you?
Like I want to be the one to tell the commander his son has no powers. Let's take a look at that chest. Well, nothing seems to be broken.
Except for me not having my powers.
Well, maybe you're just a late bloomer. Could get one of them, or both. Your mother's flying, or your father's super strength.
But when?
The kids who get bit by radioactive insects or fall into a vat of toxic waste, their powers usually show up the next day. Or they die. Oh, look at... But kids who inherit their powers, well, impossible to say.
But I will get them, right?
Many sidekicks are the offspring of one super parent and one ordinary parent. But there are cases, rare yet not unheard of, where the child of two superpowered parents never acquires any powers whatsoever.
There are? Like who?
Well, I know of only one. Ron Wilson, bus driver. There he is. There he is now.